practice, we want to concentrate on consistency, skill building, and making music. For development to occur, we really need to practice every day. What my book achieves are the optimized order for learning of these basic skills, hence the name The Ultimate Warm-Up. From getting your ear moving, lip buzzing, mouthpiece work, long tones, tonguing, flexibility, scales, range, and flow studies, it's all there in the correct order to optimize your practice session. By the way, you do not have to buy my book. Just do some made-up exercises in that order when you practice. After the warm-up, you'll also want to spend time in various method books building technique and skill, and then finally on major trumpet pieces and repertoire. We also want to record and listen to our practice sessions. On playback, evaluate the sound you created. Was it musical, warm, and rich? Become a critical listener of your sound and make adjustments as you listen and play. Making music is the goal. The trumpet is the vehicle we're using to create music. It could be any instrument or sound that we use to create musical experiences. Focus on playing and extending the musical phrases. Making music from the notes is the goal. Don't just play the notes, or you'll have missed the point entirely.